Hello guys! Today I will tell you about some interesting part, like a secret, let's say, about some verb to say about movement. How to say about movement in Russian? So you can say in English to go, right? We have the verb go to show someone that you are moving to somewhere, okay? But in Russian we have different two verbs. What is the difference between two verbs? The first one shows that you are moving somewhere, like walking, like without transport, let's say that. But another verb shows that you're using transport, even public transport, and it can be your car or even plane, So it depends what you're using. So it depends what you're using. You want to choose and pick the word. So the first verb will be идти. So идти, it's infinitive. Идти. So идти, it means to walk. Идти without transport, without a bicycle or your car or something like that. So if you're walking somewhere and you are moving from A to B, but without transport, you should use идти. But if you are using somehow like a transport, you should use ехать. So еду, it means using car. Let's say try to show you here that you have your car and you're driving somewhere, okay, like that. But if you're working, you are moving by yourself without transport. So ехать, it's not working. Ехать, it means drive or not drive, you're using transport, moving. But идти, working by yourself. So you should know that these two verbs shows you movement. Be careful when you're using it because it's two different verbs. Я еду to you, к тебе. It means I'm using transport. Maybe I'm on a train, metro, or driving somewhere. To you, I mean. But if you're using the verb иду, я иду to you with some piece of cake, maybe cola or something like that, it means I'm walking outside by myself without transport. Do you understand? So, я еду to you, or иду, walking by myself. Okay, do you understand it? Nice. So, ты, it means you, едешь shows that you are driving or using public transport or car or something like that. Едешь, ты едешь. Идешь, ты идешь if you are walking by yourself. Ты идешь to me. Ты идешь ко мне. Ты идешь ко мне? So, he, she, it, if you remember in Russian, we are using just the same one verb. Он едет, она едет, оно едет. So, it means едет using like wheels somewhere. But if you say он идет, она идет, он, оно идет, it means идет, it's coming, like working. Okay, nice. Они, they are, идут or едут. Please don't mix up also. Едут, it means on a car. On a car. Like that. Here. Tick, tick, tick. О, они идут, 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 working, идут, идут, too far from me. But they're идут, они идут. Едут, они едут on a car. Oh. So, we, it means you guys or some part of group or, I don't know, maybe my president едет. Вы едете, едете. So important to know where is the stress. Remember, in Russian, we are so careful with it. So, вы едете. Вы едете to me. Вы едете, it means you are using transport coming to me. So, едете. Important to say. Because if you say едите, it means eating, so it will be like a mistake. You have to know that едете, this is correct. Вы едете, this is important to know that you have this stress, and it's so important, this stress, to pronounce what do you want to say. So, because едете, it means you are using your transport, you are coming to me, but едите, it's different, just stress, and it will show that you are eating. So it's not correct what you want to say. So be careful. Next one, идете, идете. You should know that you're here, like you're always on the stress. So идете, идете, it means you're walking and I'm waiting you, but you're, I don't know, it's so nice weather and you don't want to use your public transport, car or something. You want to walk like that just, I don't know, by yourself. So, вы идете, вы идете. So, мы едем to you. Мы едем к вам, к тебе. To you, к тебе. Okay. Мы едем. It means we are driving. My friend with me. We are going, I'm driving, and he is with me or she is with me. So, мы едем to you, I'm calling you and say, мы едем к тебе. Waiters, жди нас. So, о, идем, мы идем к тебе. Мы идем, it means working, идем. So, this part for someone who doesn't want to use like public transport or car or something like that, bicycle, even bicycle. Don't use bicycle now, it's so nice weather. Okay, we are waiting this nice weather for ages, but now we are happy. So, еду я, ты едешь, он, она, оно едет, они едут, вы едете, мы едем. If you are using transport. But if you are walking by yourself without any transport, you can say я иду, ты идешь, он, она, оно идет, они идут, вы идете, мы идем. So, I'm waiting your questions if you have any. I am here to answer. So, see you next time. It will be so useful. I hope so.